Alright, we're gonna open the door. Listen carefully. Ooh, did you hear that? Oop. Ay, ay, ay. So when I opened it, there was like something reeling, and it did not open the door. I'm doing the reverse from the driveway. I'm stepping on the brake, and once I release it, listen carefully. There's a beeping sound. Okay. Now I'm gonna change the drive. And then I'm gonna release the brake. Listen carefully. Oh my God. I'm heading to Caliber Collision. It's going to be a 26 minutes drive. So I have to hear this sound for 26 minutes. Crazy. Alright, right now there's no, I just step on the brake. It's stopped. Red light. Right now all the doors are closed. There's no red light. On my first video, initially there is no, all doors are closed. Then suddenly my left sliding door, red light lit on. So let's see. I'm just gonna let this run. Oh my God, the sound. It's 7 in the morning, so I might hit the rush hour. So I'm gonna turn off this phone for safety reason. I gotta keep my 100% attention on the road. Once I hit the freeway, I'll shut this off. God, I can't stand this sound. Are you okay, Jared? Okay, I'm gonna step on the brake. Alright. Oh, you see that left sliding door? It turned on again. The light turned on. Alright, I'm gonna shut down the video. Bye bye. Okay, so I parked my car. So I think the problem is, for some reason, the left sliding door becomes loose. As you can see, first it's not flashed, and there's movement right there, so it's not really locking. So once I start driving at a certain speed, the door becomes unstable and released from being secure.